So you are on your personal Gmail account and then you have your own Google Sheets open. You see that this try Gemini icon is sitting here doing nothing. All it does is asking you to enroll or try it out. Nothing else. That's it. It's just a promotional icon. Now how to get rid of this? I have two news for you. One good, one bad. The bad news is that there is no native way within Google to get rid of this icon. There's no turn off button. We have to use an extension, an ad blocker for getting rid of this icon, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. The good news is that we will not just treat the symptom in this video, but we'll also go to the root cause of how AI is functioning within that. So overall, if you think about it, if you want to get rid of any of the AI features within your Google account, be it in Google Docs or Google Sheets, we will see exactly that in this video. Before we jump in, please hit the subscribe button if you are working in Google Sheets and you want more no fluff tutorials like this one. Alright, so now let's first treat the symptom. Now I have installed this uBlock Origin Lite. After installing, you go into this icon here, right click on it, go into options. Within the options here under the settings, choose this complete option here. Once you do that, go into filter lists. Under the annoyances, check this box, easy list, AI widgets. Once you do that, come here and then refresh your screen. You'll see that the icon goes away. And same is with the docs. Refresh the screen, you'll see that the Google Gemini icon is gone. That's it. You will no longer see that in your Google account. If you want to get it back, you just have to uncheck this box and you can get it back anyway, but then that's your option. Now that takes care of the symptom. Now let's see the root cause. Once you're in Gmail account, go into this gear settings icon and then click on this see all settings. Within here, you can see that there are a lot of smart features. For example, under the general tab, you can see this is a smart feature turned on. Smart replies, and then there are a few other smart compose personalization. All of this works because we have, let us say, this smart features turned on. Now, this is one of the reasons why we see a lot of AI features coming into your Google accounts, Google experience. So I would turn this off if you do not want it. And then you see all of these will require that option. So that's the trade-off. If you want, you can keep that. Then Google Workspace Smart Features, go into this one. So these are also turned off. One tick takes care of that. But if you really want to keep the smart features on, okay, it's going to reload again. And then keep this on and then go into manage works. You'll see that by default, these will be on. So you can turn these two things off. Save. And you can still choose to keep this smart features on if you want to. So that will take care of some of the experience within your Google Workspace and other Google products. So this is an important settings to turn off. Having done that, you can also go into your tools section within your spreadsheet, go into the suggestion controls, and you can disable all of this. Done. The AI typing suggestions will vanish. So that way you can at least ensure that your sheets will stop trying to finish your sentences for you. Now that is for your free Google account. What if you had taken the AI subscription plan, the Google One AI subscription plan? Now, if you chose to pay for this AI plan, then obviously you will have the AI features enabled. If you do not want Google AI, then you can only choose the storage plans, this is the Google AI plan. And here are the storage plans if you are looking for only the storages. So you can get the light basic standard, which are only for the storage. So here's the bottom line. Free account, your Sparkle icon will stay. You can block it with an extension and turn off the smart features in your settings. With a paid account like a Google One AI or the Google storage plans, you can deactivate the AI stuff through the settings, or if you are on the AI plan, you can just drop your plan. Now links to the full written guide is in the description below. If this helped, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.